Hello guys, welcome back. Ton of Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Canon camera error code 60. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now this error usually pops up when the lens movement is actually blocked. Like if something's jamming it or if the lens mechanism isn't just functioning the way it should. So it's Canon's way of saying that, hey, I can't move the lens, so I can take pictures. So there are a few things that you could try doing here to solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to check your lens here for any obstruction. Now check the lens carefully. Anything that might be blocking it from moving, even a small piece of dirt or debris here, can trigger this error. Now you want to look at this lens anti-barrel and zoom rings here, and if anything is stuck or seems out of place, gently remove it. And also make sure the lens extends and retracts freely without resistance. And also make sure the lens is properly seated here. So you may want to twist the lens off carefully. Make sure to do this carefully and reattach it by aligning the marks and rotating it until it actually clicks securely into place. Now, you want to power on your camera and check again. Now, also you may want to test a different lens here just in case. Now, if you have like another compatible lens here, attach it to your camera and see if that actually solves your issue. Well, sometimes this actually solves the issue, so go ahead and try it. And also you may want to clean the contacts on your lens. So over time, the electrical contact between the lens and the camera can get dirty, causing communication problems. So use a soft dry cloth or a lens safe cleaning wipe. Try to clean the gold contacts on both the lens and the camera body here. After cleaning, reattach lens and power the camera on and see if that helps. And if none of this actually work, the following thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you power cycle your camera. That includes you powering off your camera and removing the batteries and just waiting for about like 5 to 10 minutes. And in this case, this actually drains the battery from your camera and reset the internal components and also may resolve some of the temporary glitches. And once the time is up, you can go and just turn it back on and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.